Hey, what's up? My name is Carson. Welcome back to SALT Crash Course. This one's a little bit different because I'm home. Welcome. You can see there's a lot of clutter. So we have a final question to answer, and that question is, can I travel during this semester? And it's a simple answer. Yes. You can have all the personal travel experience you desire during the semester, but you better still pass your classes because you are there to go to school after all. The reason that I actually waited until I was home to make this video is because I had some travels of my own that I was prepping for. So when you book your flight for the semester, the CIE office will actually note that you can book your round trip maybe multi-city into Vilnius, but out of Paris a week after the semester's over, or vice versa. If you want to travel on one end of the semester or the other, this is a great opportunity to do it because you're going to be in Europe already anyway. But also, if you just want to make it simple and do a round trip into Vilnius and out of Vilnius, then do that. Maybe you're eager to get home, and that's okay too. Keep in mind that the study abroad program already includes 4 countries. So you get Lithuania, and you'll see multiple cities within. Of course, you'll have Russia, the 9-day trip to Moscow and St. Petersburg, and you'll have a 4-day weekend trip to Latvia and Estonia. So there's your 4 countries right there. It's a pretty strong start. And then above and beyond that, you can take on any personal travel that you'd like. So if you make some friends in a smaller social circle within the cohort, it's a great opportunity like I talked about in the last video. You can also fly solo if you love that, or you could always invite those international roommates who you're sure to become fast friends with. The options are pretty limitless. And I should also add that flights in Europe are pretty cheap because there are discount services like Ryanair, Scandinavian Airlines, and Wizz Air that can get you round trip from Vilnius to Norway for 30 euros round trip. Here's some pictures and videos from the countries I had a chance to visit in my time in Lithuania. I got to 10, but again, some people do 5, some people do 20 in their semester. It's really all up to you. Nonetheless, enjoy seeing the world. It's beautiful and big and full of God's presence. And as always, if you have any unanswered questions about the Study Abroad Lithuania program or questions that weren't answered in the Crash Course series, go to lcc.lt/study-abroad. Until the next time we meet, my name is Carson. Later.